Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at OpenLedger. It's been like I think 1 month since I covered this token. So I did cover this when it came out, but now it's doing really well as you can see after its launch. So I thought why not cover it again. So there are multiple reasons why the token is going up, but before that we will just look at some of the important things about what this project does and its tokenomics. So first of all, OpenLedger is an AI blockchain infrastructure for training and deploying specialized models using community-owned data assets. They are calling it data nets, as you can see. All actions such as datasets uploads, model training, reward credits, and governance participation are executed on-chain. So users can create data nets, contribute to public ones, and build models and publish them with a transparent tokenized mechanism. So that is what they are going with. So basically AI agents, I would say. After that, there is if you look at their products, they have three. There is model factory, which we just talked about. After that, they have OpenLOR, as you can see, which is basically deploy thousands of models on a single GPU. 96% increase in performance threshold support, just in time adapter changes, so that's really good, I would say. And last but not least, they have data net, as you can see here. So they have these three products that are going on. Now if we look at its tokenomics or its utility, the open is a native token of the OpenLedger, the AI blockchain powering transactions, network security, and community incentives. So the first and the most important utility is it is used for the gas fees. So basically users do pay transaction fees and network gas costs directly with the token across the OpenLedger system, so that's really good. So as of now they are in the waitlist, so once it does go live on the mainnet, I think this is going to basically give a huge basically this will give a massive utility to the open token, and I think this is going to be a really interesting thing. After that, they have proof of attribution, rewards for data contributors. So basically they give out rewards to contributors. After that, there is a pay for the model training. So deployment and inference use the token to access core AI services. So that means this is another utility that this open has. After that, there is granular per inference payment, enable usage based on pricing by making per inference payment. So this is another utility that it has. And last but not least, the token is used for governance as well. Now if we go to the tokenomics, so the token has a max supply of 1 billion, as you can see here. And if we look at its allocation, 10% goes to the ecosystem, 51% to community. Investors to get 18.29, and team gets 15, and liquidity 5%. So in the future the token has this sell pressure. So if we just look here, there is 1 year cliff. So after 1 year, the investors as well as the team will receive the token. So basically this token should be a safe token to hold, at least from this sell pressure perspective. So this won't have any sell pressure for 1 year again. So it will have this massive sell pressure in September of 2026. As of now it should be okay, so it shouldn't see that much sell pressure from these entities. Now if we look at the token itself, or if we look at the news, there are a lot of news that are basically pushing the token to a new high as of now. Again, it does need to hit a new high, but anyways, now the first one is that OpenLedger will be initiating an open buyback program. So basically they will use the enterprise revenue and they will purchase the token from the open market. So this is really good, and I think this is the initial wave that pushed the token to 64 cent. Now after that they introduced so after that there was the Forbes article, as you can see here. It could be the reason why the token just went up as well, because the Forbes did mention OpenLedger here as well. So that is another reason that I think why the token actually went up. And last but not least, they did introduce OpenLedger DataNet on October 2nd, as you can see here. So that could be another reason. Now if we look at their ecosystem, that is, things get really interesting. They do have a really massive ecosystem, so I would say that's really good. Now as of now, the token has, the platform has yet to launch their official products, so they are still in the early access. So again, the demand to basically, once it does go live, the demand for the open should go up. Now if we look at the price of the token, as of now it is like trading in this zone. So if it can, I would say if it can flip 75 to 85 cent, the next, I would say the next resistance is going to be around here, somewhere around 1.71 to $1. So again, as of now, if it can go above like 65 cent, I think we may basically go in this range. And if I think for some days it will most likely trade here, and if it wants to go up, it will most likely make a big breakout and it can go for this level. If not, it can reject here as well. We can go down as well from here. So again, there are different things that I'm looking at as of now. But again, overall, I think considering that they are going to buy back tokens from the market, and they have yet to launch their product as well, and considering it already has like over 135 million market cap, I would say the possibility of like Open going to like over 400 or even 500 like million is still there, because once like they do launch their product, I think there will be a massive surge, and that massive surge can push like token as high as $1.5 or even higher than that. And as of now, if you look at its listing, the token did get listed on pretty much every exchange except for like Bybit and Coinbase. So as of now, the token is already available on Binance, Bitget, Upbit, so these are probably the biggest one. And let's see what happens for overall. That is what I'm expecting from this token. But again, the biggest, I think, surge that the token may see would be when they announce their official mainnet. As of now, it is in the testnet, as you can see. So let's see when that arrives, but I think that will push Open to a new high. And again, as we talked about tokenomics, the token won't have a sell pressure for like 1 year. After that, the token may start to go down, especially once like investors and the team gets their token. But as of now, I think it's looking good, but it may make a small correction from here as well. So it can go as low as 53 cent, or even like if the market does go down, we could be looking at like 44 cent retest, or like possibly as low as 47 cent retest. Again, BTC just hit a new all-time high, I believe. So again, I think it will most likely give like a little bit room for these alts to grow. Let's see what happens. But as of now, I think Open is looking really good. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will be back with more. Thank you.